tea is one of the most popular and widely consumed beverages in the world. People drink tea every day for comfort, relaxation, energy, and even for health benefits. It is a simple drink made by pouring hot water over tea leaves. Yet it carries a long history, rich culture, and deep meaning in many societies. Tea originally comes from China, where it was discovered thousands of years ago. According to a famous legend, Chinese Emperor Shen Nong discovered tea when some leaves accidentally fell into his pot of boiling water. He liked the aroma and taste, and from that moment, tea became an important part of Chinese life. From China, tea slowly spread to Japan, India, and later to Europe and the rest of the world. There are different types of tea based on how the leaves are processed. The most common types are black tea, green tea, white tea, and oolong tea. Black tea is the strongest and is popular in India and the United Kingdom. Green tea is known for its health benefits and is widely consumed in Japan, China, and other Asian countries. White tea is very light and delicate, while oolong tea is somewhere between black and green tea in taste and color. Tea is not just a drink. It is a cultural symbol in many places. In India, tea, commonly called chai, is a part of daily life. People drink chai in the morning, evening, and during conversations with friends and family. Street vendors selling hot, sweet, and spicy masala chai are common everywhere. In Japan, the tea ceremony is a respected tradition that shows hospitality, discipline, and beauty. In England, afternoon tea is a famous custom where people enjoy tea with snacks like biscuits, sandwiches, and cakes. Tea also has many health benefits. It contains antioxidants that protect the body from harmful chemicals. Green tea is especially known for helping in weight control, improving brain function, and reducing the risk of some diseases. Black tea helps in digestion and keeps the heart healthy. Herbal teas like ginger tea, peppermint tea, and chamomile tea are also widely used for their healing effects. Tea brings people together. Sharing the cup of tea often means sharing conversations, emotions, and time. Many friendships and relationships begin with a simple offer: "Let's have a cup of tea." In busy lives, tea gives a small moment of peace. A warm cup can calm the mind and refresh the body. Today, tea is produced mainly in countries like India, China, Sri Lanka, and Kenya. India's Assam and Darjeeling teas are famous all over the world for their rich flavor and aroma. Tea plantations are also a major source of employment for many people. In conclusion, tea is more than just a beverage. It is a tradition, a source of comfort, a symbol of hospitality, and a part of daily life for millions of people. Whether it is enjoyed hot or cold, sweet or plain, tea continues to unite cultures and bring joy to people around the globe.